In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel file to PDF. Turning a spreadsheet into a PDF is a great way to share information securely and consistently, since a PDF keeps the layout, fonts, and the formatting exactly as you designed them. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your Excel file. Make sure the spreadsheet you want to convert is on the screen and looks the way you expect. What you see on the sheet often determines what will appear in the PDF, so take a moment to glance at column widths, row heights, and any charts or images to ensure nothing is cut off. Now, go to the File menu. This is where you'll find all the commands related to saving and exporting your work. Click on Save As. This option lets you keep your original file while creating a new version in a different format. Next, select the destination where you'd like to save the file. You can choose a folder on your computer, a connected drive, or a cloud location, anywhere that's convenient and easy to find later. Picking a clear location now saves time when you need to share or attach the PDF. Type the file name you want to use. Choose something descriptive, like a date and brief title, so it's obvious what the document contains. Clear naming is especially helpful if you create regular reports or updates. Below the file name, you'll see an option called Save as Type. Click the drop-down menu and choose PDF. This tells Excel to package your spreadsheet in a universal format that anyone can open without needing Excel. Then, save it. Excel will convert the current content into a PDF and place it in the location you selected. Depending on your settings, the PDF may open automatically in your default viewer so you can quickly review it. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you do this. The PDF reflects what would print from Excel, so margins, page orientation, and scaling can affect the final look. If your sheet is wide or long, remember that the PDF will paginate accordingly. Also, if your workbook has multiple sheets, the PDF usually captures only what you've selected or the active sheet, so make sure the right content is on screen before saving. That's it. You've successfully saved your Excel file as a PDF, ready to share, archive, or upload wherever it needs to go.